Hi everybody, I'm Wendy from Tan Tock Seng Nursing. I'm delighted to be able to share my project with everyone here. In the next couple of minutes, I will show you the problem that we want to solve, the solutions that we have tried, and the final product that we came out with. Hi, I'm now in an isolation room, and as you can hear, the medical equipments are alarming. And no one attends to the alarm. Why? Because the alarm cannot be heard outside the room. This is a concern as nurses are unable to attend to the alarm promptly as they could not hear the sound. Failure to respond promptly to the alarm could potentially result in undesirable outcome. This situation is what we want to prevent.
Madam Lee, give you medicine na. Ayo. Auntie? Auntie ah? Hello, auntie. Auntie?
We explored using the amplifier. A microphone is installed in the patient's room and connected to the amplifier, which is outside the patient's room. However, the downside is we can hear the conversations that are carried out inside the room, and it risks in breaching patients' confidentiality and privacy.
So handsome, it was so blurry. Which one? The one? Yeah, the new one. The one just came on just yesterday.
We went on to try the baby monitor. The monitor will be placed at patient's bedside and the nurse will need to carry the handset with her throughout so as to be able to pick up the alarm sound. However, the nurses feedback that it is inconvenient to carry it around and it also breached the patient's privacy as conversation can be heard. Using machine learning, we train the device to recognize various medical equipment alarms over a period of time. And ta-da! A prototype is developed. And we call this Bedside Alarm Recognition, in short, BAR. The Wi-Fi enabled bar comes in a set. The bar unit itself, which is to be placed at patient's bedside, and the audio-visual alarm unit, which is to place outside the patient's room. It is very easy to use, no configuration is needed, you just need to plug in and you can play. It is also privacy preserved because it only picks up alarm that it has been trained and it relays to the alarm that is outside the room to alert the care team. We have applied and also been awarded for the COVID-19 MedTech Innovation Grant. Now I'm going to show you how it works. Setting up of a bar is very easy. First, you plug the alarm unit outside patient's room and power up. Then you plug the bar unit into the AC power in the patient's room and switch it on. And there you go, it's done. I have deployed BAR in the patient's room. When the medical equipment alarm, BAR will recognize the sound and relay to the alarm unit outside the room, and an audio-visual alarm will be activated. In this second demonstration, I have turned on both the TV and the music player. Despite having these sounds, BAR will still be able to recognize the medical equipment alarm and relay it to the alarm unit outside the room.